Hi guys, this is Team 13 and in this game we'll try to fix the errors which has been occurred in the aircraft. In this scene we have a objective button. We'll click on the objective button and we'll find the task in a serial wise. We have to solve the task like first we have align tail wings, fuel tanks, battery, oxygen supply, engine and last cargo. So here in this cockpit, we have different buttons which are also present in the objectives like you have seen. So we have to follow the objective panel serially. Like there is first align tail wings. So we will click on the wings button and we'll go to the wings area. We will try to fix the wings and then we'll return to the cockpit. After solving the wings button has been changed to red to green. Now we'll go to the fuel tank. Here is the fuel tank scene. Here we will try to fix the pipe to the fuel tank knob. Then we'll again return to the cockpit and you can see the fuel tank has been turned into green. Now we'll move to battery. Here's the battery scene. We'll fix the wire according to their colors. Again, we will return to the cockpit. You can see the battery has been turned into red. Then again, we will go to the oxygen scene. Here we have uh, two two levels. Like we have to rise the O2 level and the CO2 level. Again, we have to return to the cockpit. Here you can see that O2 has been turned into green. Now we need to go to engine scene. Engine, we have three fire ignition like a normal mode, a mid mode, and a high mode. And the speed of the wings depend on these three buttons. At last, we need to go to the cargo scene. Here we have to place the bags at the right position. Now all the buttons has been turned into green, and now we can take off.